channel the other day about, say, the clutch and what you do when you're pulling away versus what you do when you're changing gear when you're going. And to be honest, it is quite a good question. And when I was learning, Mark Abel told me to do the same thing every time, but obviously you can do it a little bit quicker because the engine's already engaged. But it was a good question, and I hope that I answered it properly for him. But what I'll do is oh, well, I'd have to have a camera on myself, wouldn't I, to show you that again. I liked having the camera on myself, and it seems like it was less shaky as well. I'm just revving my engine because my idle's set to low. Problem with it. Try to install it, that was down here and just see if tightening it up makes it any less shaky. It seemed to me like it was better on my wrist. But my mirror was in the way, but obviously I'm not taking my mirror off because safety first. Right, I'm just up here. Not on someone's driveway because that'd be really rude. That's good. And now, let's see, I'm tightening it up. Oh, it's actually really loose. Oh, that might actually. That might actually be why.